Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to generate these images for free. Open your browser and search for styler.ai. You can use this most styler temples. Or click a new project to make your custom style. Click on Create, then click on Import Image. Select 2D picture and insert it to canvas. Then I click on Image to Image on this icon. It will create an auto prompt for this image. Here is the prompt. You also can choose style. Here, click on this button. It will take few seconds later. You get amazing results. Really interesting. Let's make change an other image.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Really interesting. If you want to save this images on your PC, select multiple images, click on Place on Canvas. Really interesting. If you want to save this images on your PC, select multiple images, click on Place on Canvas. While your image is selected, right-click and choose Save as Image. It will be saved on your computer. If you're interested for more AI tutorials, subscribe my YouTube channel, Nisar Tech Navigator. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.